Hi guys, it's June and welcome to my channel. Quick, simple and tasty. Today I would like to show everyone how to make soy sauce egg, or it could also be called braised egg or tea egg. The ingredients that we need are bay leaves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, some Szechuan pepper and 5 powder spice and some rock sugar. Let's start off by boiling some eggs. Make sure the eggs is boiled in cold water and not boiling water, because if you put it in boiling water, the egg might crack while you're boiling it. So please use cold water while we first boil the egg. Once the eggs has finished boiling, let's transfer it into a pot of cold water. Once we've transferred the eggs into a pot of cold water, let it sit for about a minute or two before peeling the eggs. Now once we have the eggs ready, pour in a kettle of boiling water. It's roughly about 1.7 liters. Pour in the spice. Pour in half a cup of soy sauce. After about an hour, the eggs are now ready. Switch off the flame and let's put on a plate. And there we have it. Today's recipe: braised egg or tea egg. The color looks very nice and it also smells very nice. Thanks for watching.
Looks delicious, Daddy.